Let's go and the gospel is still going. Trade up on Yankupon Shra now on your case. One of the happiest day. And for me, to me, you know, that is today is one of the happiest day because sometimes me talk say, Okodana sorry a divine selection. Which I say, you will be a dana, you will be now watching and we. You will be a fibe semiensa, a fibe enum. Obinya 26, Obinya 15, Obinya 14, and then one catch us from what I say. Etimino say Nyankopon etimi boam na mimfia wasato. Hwe ma minka sem we nche wiasa fa da nyina. Etru ba bia Obinya be say 11 years osimi da nyame ase. Aso odi mfie ba akwa mimfie ho. Me patcho nka bi da nyame mfa mfie nka obi amfie ho. Oje mojato down na yem no. Wo be di mfie ba akwa nyame wo de ato. Wo be di mfie me no wa de ato. Etimi pese ewura twere kunkrum ni ehwade. You read the book of Job, chapter 14, the verse number 5. Job chapter 14, the verse number 5. Trakunkrum yeti asese. Ewrade asemi na to. Na bosumi dudu okra mi kase medie. Bosumi dudu wa wo hwe sa video wo bedie. Ewrade si ewoni trim. Na wato ehia fa ho a untimi ensan ho da. Tienete nie pa o. Semenya 20 years anyame wonim. Semenya 15 years anyame wonim. What I say? It is a nyame boa na wunya 30 years, wunya 40 years, wunya 50 years. Me pacho tie, se wunya 70 years, and now wunya 71 and no the nyame asese oni mfie ni bia ka wo mfie ho. Because can Genesis chapter 6, abra nipa ya bone anyame no no ho no. Emfie no ade ma ya no ebe ya 120 because minim say ke nipa nki enwu. Bone na manipa wuo. Naka asasu wesu nipa wu ye immortal. Etinya tunum say immortal God, invisible God, immortal God, I praise thy name. Nyame boni pase ni suni ni saso. Eti se nyame wudi a yesu nipa yewu. Ba boni e na me nipa wu. Eti na Bible me yeti ase Romans 6:23 se boni akati ade de. Owu. Eti boni kwa na ni nipa mfie so te. Eti nipa mfie so te free came pen so Adam and Eve kwa ya boni no. Ana Nyankopon ya se wo me nipa nya dako asaso we so. And the baby then say obie no wanya one day was asaso so. Okay, kind the book of Peter was it if you sharp him and yam there. And that consider 100,000 years that any power you can see the book of Genesis 42 verse 8. When you're 900 and what call 69, wait me and 1,000. Obieno when you're a dako when you're it's the Pabian will make me 1,000 as it's 10 year bonny. A bra bonny draws in any pen funeral. Yamia day. It's the book of Genesis about 120. 120 19 still an abone koso David mo person okay kind the book of Psalm 90 verse 10 Psalm 90 the verse 10 and what is about 70 80 so we nya 71 we nya 80 we nya 90 danyame ase that's what didn't see any be right me pa to what the make we nya 71 na so danyame ase we nya 72 so danyame ase we nya 30 danyame ase so wo di wo fie no what is because Job 14 verse 5 was so ashawo na to bosumi dodo okra woni a wato hia fa ho obi antimi ntra na de eti e na sesi amno ka se wa kasa bet wona no onso kenkan Jeremiah chapter 17 the verse 11 was so obi opentemanya no na nya Nyankopon kwa so no woti sa kokọ video butu koso enyo no kasa na ato so wo be che wo fie mienu no otu fa na de fa de sesi ameka se nyame amam 100 years kwa na ne ya metina aso de bone sesi amitimi kwa shem ho akon sesi amitimi fa ewuduo no what I say etino enfie na nkasa nyame de ama ho enti na Deuteronomy chapter 30 verse 1 was me de papa ne bone enkwa no owu ehisa no me sa wo betime di wo fie no so a eni nyame nsem ewo wo nsem wo betime de bone ere ate so ana wo betime de trene ere adini sunya na de etimi di ye fie nyina nyame suro waso obi a oso nyame bia nyame to ne na so enti nyame protecto enti na Zechariah chapter 2 verse 8 waso obi bo din se be ka otini ni no except won san de aka nyame ani kosua na Psalm 90 verse 11 waso nam kwa ma won na de enfinti what I say eti ade ba kwa be pese wiasa fa na nya tie nie e bia nyame adawroma na America say na 18 September 2020 na nyame admama timi fie no so me 30 something years me mfa de aka no so one kasa 30 something years eti ene nyame aboama me fie no kakra kra me teso eti me minus 30 something me minus 30 something na ene kasa no me sure say making me actually Accra be 30 something. Me age, you know, NSMA. So we are just a part one of today's video. This is how I'm celebrating my birthday. I'm celebrating with my brothers and sisters. Today we will be having games. Apart from that, I need to share out Bibles and others. I need to reach out to the less privileged. And then in Kronkra, no, maybe some Kuko Kunkra, and there's some I are for Krobia, we bought them. What I say, you bought them, yes, you're sure, why you did. Many things are ahead to come. Because when you know the truth, I said, it's all about love. It's all about love. And for it doesn't matter the number of years you spend on this earth. And yes, you do obedience as well as you. Name of the content, the lifestyle, and Brabba, Metusala, when you're now there in 69, and I went about Metusala. Yes, because when you're 33 years, you're not supposed to do. It's you fear do obedience here. Name of Abraba, who be in fear that you're married. So people know that someone for say, why this guy? Who be no nama? No yes, no yes. And if you do know, name of Abraba, I met me about that. She be minua, or be besu, every 2 doctors. I gave you a Bible. What we are Peter Mompayamano. Ada we are na man fokra do krabo e krabo do krantoma do kratanye no musu se ka doctor sete ase a enke medidi ene ke mesatare Peter duru ho no wode na ne chiefuru ni sei e no ka se rade tie se ma man fo ka fa abaya hu na sa fa ne bra Peter twa ne na doctor sa amen eti abrabo na ye bon enye the number of years enfie dudu a ubedie nebom abraba wo bebo with that little years ena ma me ka se bi nche wi asa fa na nyina so obi asasu so obi nya 20 no owu a yase ne boni na akuno mami kase bi nchiro sesi am no kase sanyame ebia me nyankopon tam ye okay ka the book of Isaiah chapter 57 the verse 1 to 2 was sha sanyankopon obi ni nyame nante wo botre ne bra na nyame musuo bi how bi amane bi da woni ma utoma untimi ensum ne biem untimi mfi obeku ne ya. And yes, our bonny, and again, and if you are seeing you being 20 years, no, 30 years, I yes, and a bonny in Ekuno. Do I know 100 years, yes, in a son? It's a lie. It's either 57, 1 to 2. I say, ready for a tin or friend of America, a bass, a mamma find some of Kumum. If you say, me already, my whom bonny be, my whom saw be a okotoma, on to me, fit, a bassa wanda. Now, me money panel, what I have brought over, send a brow, not dear be do be free, I mean, and system, now I come on Sunday. A bassa and Liverpool. And not on some one, Yamina, Ebeku, because I can Jeremiah 33, Jeremiah chapter Lamentation 37, was here at the Minamina Mishra, Minamina, Memanka, it's in Yankupon the Kum. The Bibian will be says as you saw Yankupon the enemy. Trade up on Yankupon Shan on your cashier. Me person me we are for na nyina say the little years na media man no yentimi emfa enudo yenia eso about love enti excuse oba no was emransam ni nyina no ehede odomu odoni de and we preach with our mouth but we don't show it ya de anoka na emum yenye. So this is how I'm celebrating my birthday. We the first video and at least me post videos be 10 at the abremo we are part 1 and opem say ya baba park so me no more aye some communal labor bi sesi na ye be wie no ya bebo ya no so kakra ya bebo ya no so kakra. When you see this we are no breakfast your friend both robotu both robotu yeah both robotu. This is how I'm enjoying my birthday with my brothers and sisters in the urban areas or in the villages. It's your plan me first and me my birthday no any we part 1. Can you boy coupon share on your cashier? The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. I joined the gospel preaching chariot. I avail myself to teach and to be taught. Salvation of souls is my focus. So help me God. Who bet me a friend going be tough for Christ? Open Tama, you can call me the fearless preacher. Shalom. Peace.